Hello everyone, this is Jessica Krasner, Strategic Account Manager for Softmart, and this is your IT 2-minute warning. And this week I'm going to do a little bit of a recap, give you some information on some Microsoft updates. So last week we talked about the release of SQL 2014. Nothing but that release has changed. So yes, all the same changes apply, right? April 1st, there's some new software assurance benefits that you need to take into consideration for SQL. The other thing I wanted to mention is we just found out there is going to be a price increase on SQL cows starting April 1st. So you'll remember that when Microsoft went through the price increase on the Windows cows based on user versus device, SQL didn't change at all. So that was the only piece of the SQL pie that did not change. So in the 2014 release, there's going to be a little bit of a SQL price increase on just the cows. So if in the back of your mind you've been thinking, I need new cows, I need more cows, and it's not on your EA agreement, this might be a good time to get those licenses, okay, before that happens. The other thing is, for those of you that potentially are going to be renewing or buying new licenses for the desktop operating system, one of the things you're going to notice is that there's been a little bit of a change from Microsoft on the SKUs. So previously there was just Windows Pro upgrade with software assurance that's available on your licenses. Now there's a new product. That's an old product, but it's a new name. So there's also now a product called Windows Enterprise. Okay, so previously you knew Windows Enterprise as Windows Pro plus software assurance. That was Windows Enterprise. Well, now it's actually a line item SKU. So for those of you EA customers, you're going to actually see Windows Enterprise with software assurance, right? For those of you that have maybe a select agreement, you have the option now to buy Windows Pro or Windows Enterprise, and you can buy it with software assurance or without software assurance, okay? I'm going to read for you the big differences, what Windows Enterprise will get you, and this is what it gets you. Start screen control, Windows Go-To Creator, direct access, branchcast, virtual desktop infrastructure enhancements, app locker, and enterprise side loading. What you also get in the event that you get Windows Enterprise with software assurance, the with software assurance is how you get the VDA licensing, okay, so the subscription on the desktop operating system, okay? Otherwise, Windows Pro, you're going to get the normal upgrade license for that, okay? That's the big key there. So if you see those licenses, be aware. The other thing is, and we talked about it before, but TechNet has been retired, okay? So if you're currently using it, you can finish out to the end of your contract, then it's over. If you have questions on what to do as an alternative, please let us know. This has been Jessica Krasner, this is your IT 2-minute warning. I'll talk to you next week. Thanks.